5 and 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, knee, hop. Hop right, hop left, hop right, 2, 3, 4. Hop back, hop back, hop back, 2, 3, 4. Up knee, hop back, and left foot. Left knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. Hop left, hop right, hop left. Hop left, hop right, hop left. Knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. There you go. How are we doing, everybody? Tyler here, and welcome back to another Tyler Teaches, where I teach you some of my favorite tricks and steps. Welcome back. Welcome. We are doing the jig today. We are piggybacking off of our last video with the jig, the beginner jig. So if you haven't seen that video, scroll back in the videos to that. I think I'll try and make a connection to, I don't know. But yes, this is the next step you would do in the succession of what I would like to build is at least 3 steps of the jig. So you've got like a little trio of them. But yes, this is the second step to this. And it's got a little bit more movement to it, but not so much. It's still beginner, it's still introductory, so nothing too crazy, but kind of builds off of what we've already learned. Yeah, if you're new here, my name is Tyler. I like to Irish dance, been doing it for 20 years. I love teaching and I love dancing. And so this channel is kind of built around that to get people up and moving and enjoy what I've loved for so many years, Irish dancing. So what I always say in these videos too is if you love Irish dancing, if you like doing what we're doing here, this is kind of an introductory to what Irish dancing is in the comfort of your own home. If you really love it, I would highly recommend Googling up the closest Irish dance studio near you and learning it in person with other fantastic Irish dancers. So along with that, this music today is brought to you by FEIS app. Best place for Irish dance music to practice too. Great people to support. There's a link down below if you want to learn more about FEIS app. But yeah, let's get into this step. So we're kind of building off of what we learned in our last dance. Oh, side note, if you didn't see the last video where we were doing this, right foot is white foot and left foot is black foot. I need something that rhymes with left, I guess, I don't know. But we did last time a jump, hop knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4, and that's exactly how we're going to start this dance, okay? So we're gonna start with our right foot in front, left foot in back. We're gonna do our jump, up knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. We learned that in the last step, so that's why we're moving a bit of a faster pace this time around. From there, so we're gonna jump.
I'm having trouble connecting to the internet. Check out the help section in your alternate ears app.
My speaker is always fighting with me. Let me turn that speaker off. We won't need that until we're practicing this to music. So we did jump, up knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. All of our weight should be on our left foot because we're gonna bring our right foot forward, and we're gonna go hop 1, hop 2, hop 3, 2, 3, 4. It might make more sense to do it side profile so you can see the amount of movement we're doing. So we did our jump, up knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna push off of our left foot, hop 1, hop 2, hop 3, 2, 3, 4. So it's kind of like skipping. It's kind of like you're skipping, but don't use your arms. Okay, so again, 2, 3, and jump, up knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. Push and right, hop left, hop right, 2, 3, 4. And you should have all your weight on your back foot at this point. One more time. Let's do it this way again. 2, 3, and jump, up knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. Push right, hop left, hop right, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Other things to note, you're gonna wanna dance these off your heels, or as high off your heels as you can. because this is a lot harder to, it's a bit clunkier, and being up off your heels allows us to be a little bit more nimble, quick with the feet. So that really does help with the dancing. And yeah, you want to push through kind of with your knee forward, up and through. You can kind of see how I'm bringing my knee through, and that's how I'm able to keep that turnout all the way down the stage. Okay. Jump, knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. Push 1 and 2 and 3, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna reverse that now. So we went up for 3, we're gonna go back for 3. Here we go. And we're gonna go hop back, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it from there, from the top. 2, 3, and jump, up, knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. Hop right, hop left, hop right, 2, 3, 4. Hop back, 2, 3, 4. All your weight is on your left foot. If you've done this right, your left foot's in front and your weight is on your left foot. My right foot's kind of dangling here because it's gonna do something next. All right, one more time. Ready? 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. Jump, up, knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. Hop right, hop left, hop right, 2, 3, 4. Hop right, hop left, hop right, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna swing up for another knee with our right leg. Swing knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. That's how we finish the step. Okay, again, we have our left foot in front, all our weight is on our left foot. We're gonna bring our right foot forward, and we're gonna hop onto a knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. Again, beautiful thing about YouTube is you can always be playing back, reverting, and trying it again. You can retake the class, you can retake all this. Beautiful thing about it. Also, you can play back in slower speeds. I did not know that when I first started doing these videos. You can play back at like half speed. So, if you need to, you can always revert back and try things over again. But like I said, if you have to revert, if you have to rewind it all, if every time you have to rewind, you have to like the video. It's the cheesiest thing I've ever thought of. You don't have to, but friendly reminder, hey, if you like what we're doing here, give the video a thumbs up. Appreciate it. Let's stumble through it from the top. Here we go. 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. And jump, up, knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. Hop right, hop left, hop right, 2, 3, 4. Hop right, hop left, hop right, 2, 3, 4. Up, knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. Good. Friendly reminders again. Arms down. This is very up and back, so there shouldn't be anything going side to side in this dance. When we bring up for a knee, again, you want that knee in line with your belly button. So if we're over here or over here, anything like that, we are going too far or too little. And you don't want that happening. Yeah, keep it to your center. So again, also when you're bringing your dancing forward, I kind of aim my knee as I'm pushing forward on these hops to belly button center area. And that helps then when I want to place that foot down, be able to place it the way I need it to go. If I'm over here, then it's really hard to do that. Likewise here, we're leaving a lot of gaps in the dancing. In Irish dancing, it's all about closing those gaps, pulling it up. So, extra little refinement notes as you're learning this. But yeah, that's the full step. Now, if we wanted to put this in the greater extent of our dance, we would then push forward with our left foot and do the whole thing on our left foot as well. So when we finish that with our swing up knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4, all of our weight is on our right foot. We push through with the knee and jump into jump. Left foot, hop back, 2, 3, 4. Hop left, hop right, hop left, 2, 3, 4, hop left, hop right, hop left, 2, 3, 4, up knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. That's the full thing. That's your 16 bars. Let's try it to music. Let me try and fight with my speaker again. Da, 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 da. Here we go. Maybe it'll work right away. That'd be great. I'm on the FEIS app. I'm gonna pick light jigs, and I'm gonna pick the Port Patrick set. One, 2, 3, 2, 3, and 4, 2, 3, and 5, 2, 3, and 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. Get that rhythm in. We got it. 5 and 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, knee, hop. Hop right, 2, 3, 4. Hop back, 2, 3, 4. Up knee, hop back, and left foot. Left knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. Hop left, hop right, hop left. Hop left, hop right, hop left. Knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. There you go. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna turn off the speaker because I know it's gonna yell at me. It is always trying to connect to the internet and telling me, and I get it. We're not connecting you to the internet. Sorry, speaker. I hope you enjoyed this. Be on the lookout for step number 3 of this group. These videos are a lot of fun for me to create, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Appreciate that. It gives the algorithm a little bit of a boost so that more people can see this Irish dancing content on the YouTubes. Yeah, subscribe if you haven't. If you'd like to support the channel further and support what we're doing here, I have a Patreon that you can become a patron of the channel for just, I think, the price of like a cup of coffee. You can support this channel, and all the proceeds go straight back into the channel to get this up and running and give me more time throughout my weeks to do stuff like this. So I appreciate that. I thank you for that. Yeah, you can become a member of the channel as well. It says join right below me. That's what that is. Just another way to support the channel further. I appreciate you. Thank you all so much. Happy dancing, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.
Huge shout out and thank you to everyone who's taken their support of this channel to the next level, either by becoming a patron over on Patreon or becoming a member of the channel. For more information about how you can support the channel more, check the description below the video. Thanks and have a good one.